What's going on, everybody at Facebook? Shane LaBounty from Garvey Kia. About to take you on a test drive of the 2018 Kia Stinger GT2. Let's go for a spin. So the first thing I like to point out about the Stinger is its twin turbo V6 engine that does come available on the GT models. Right now we're currently driving the GT2. It's 365 horsepower and has the available all-wheel drive. Let's test it on out. We do have multiple different drive modes that we do have available. Right now we're in Sport, but as you can see with just a flick of the knob, we do have Comfort, Eco Mode, Smart for better gas mileage. You also have the ability to customize your own. So if you like the tight steering of a Sport drive but still want the eco-friendly transmission of the Eco or Smart mode, then you can actually customize the vehicle to do it that way. I'm going to kick it back into Smart. We'll change it up. I'm going to kick it back into Sport and enjoy the ride. The Stinger does come equipped with a lot of different features. This one that we're driving in now does have heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, multiple different drive modes, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it's a little hard to see, but it does come with a heads-up display that tells you your speed limit and also the speed that you're going right up in the window right here is a holographic little feature. While we're pulling up to the stop sign, we do have I'll point out a couple other things. You have driver's seat memory. You've got the nice big 10-inch screen right here, along with paddle shifters and the ability to control almost the entire vehicle right from your steering wheel. True GT sport car styling you've got in the vents here. Also a true hatchback, just like you would in a GT model. Sunroof up top here.